We want to talk about the job of the circuit court and the circuit court judge with our legal analyst, Jeff Hosford, joining us today. Jeff, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Well, a lot of people who've never been involved in a circuit court case may not know exactly what kind of cases are heard, not circuit, but in chancery court. So school us a little bit on chancery court.
Chancery court is the other court. Circuit court is typically where criminal and civil cases are. Chancery court, you take into account cases involving family, disputes of unjust enrichment, land transactions, and then you get things sort of like eminent domain. And on those issues, those are all heard by a chancellor. There's very rarely a jury in chancery court. Typically, it's only a advisory panel to the judge if there is a jury, and those are usually only had in cases where there's eminent domain.
Again, as you mentioned, a lot of family court issues end up in front of chancery judges.
Yeah, I mean, the main thing that's heard before them is child custody cases, DHS cases, cases involving divorce, cases involving family matters where there may be grandparents involved that may want to see their grandchild more often, cases involving custody disputes on who should be the custodian of a child if a child is born out of wedlock, those kind of things.
All right. Always appreciate your perspective and clearing things up for us. If you have a question for Jeff, you can send it to us at legalline@wcbi.com. We'll see you next week.
Thank you for having me.